Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on using iTeacher online classroom environment to teach your students through online classroom. So first of all, you would need a good quality broadband, a headset with a mic. If you don't have a headset with a mic, you can use a simple earphones. You need a good USB mouse and you would need a Chrome browser or a Firefox browser. So as soon as you log in with your username and password, you will be brought in to this home screen, which consists of all the classrooms that you have created. Let's create a new classroom by clicking on create a room. I can give it the name as 10th Maths. I have an option of using a passcode that all the users would require if they want to join the class. I don't require it at the moment. I have the option of muting all the users when they join. So if I can click it yes, but it will mute you also when you join. You can see the other options as per your convenience and use them as per required. So I say create a room. It says a room created successfully and it shows me 10th Maths. Now this is the link that you need to send all your users. So you can copy it and email all your students this link. This link will remain permanent for all the classes that you will conduct in this classroom called 10th Maths. So the users or the students who need to come tomorrow again for the same class, they need to click on the same link and they will join the class. We have a class called demo room already created. So let's start with this classroom by clicking on start button. Once I click on the start button, this will take me straight away to my online classroom. As I am a teacher, I need to join with a microphone. Once I click on the microphone, it conducts a few tests to see if my microphone is working properly. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So this is my online classroom and you can see that this is your whiteboard where you can draw freely with your hand. This is the chat window. You can close it or open it as per your convenience. So all the students can chat with you here. Now an option that you need to set for the classroom to manage all the users will be found here by clicking on manage users. You have all the options, that is mute all users except yourself, that is the presenter, save usernames, all the students who have logged in and joined the class. You can save their names in a text file. And the most important option is log viewers. So if I click on log viewers, I get all these options. Now if I want the students to share their webcam, I can let it be remain as green, or if I don't want them to share the webcam, I can lock it. If I want them to see others' webcam, I can lock it as well. If I don't want to see them, sorry. If I want them to share the microphones, I can keep it green, or else I will lock this as well. And I can use other options as per my convenience. I say apply and all these settings get applied to my classroom. So now my classroom is ready to let the students come in, and when they come in, their webcams and their microphones will be disabled. Now let me see if we can invite a user to join in this classroom.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Right. So we have a student called Monica here who's joined the classroom. So if I say hi, it will go to all the users who have joined here. Now, in case I want the student to use their microphone and their webcam, I can click on this username and I say unlock Monica. This way, this user will get unlocked and they can use their microphones and their webcams. If I want them to write on this sheet, on the whiteboard, I can click on Make Presenter. So this user, that is this student, will get the controls of writing on this whiteboard. So the student has written hi, and this user can annotate this whiteboard or write on it as per their own convenience. Once it's done, I can take back the controls using Take Presenter. So now these controls have come to me. So this was the part on how to use the administration of this classroom. Let's move on to how to use this classroom on a functional basis. As I told you, this is a free drawing tool, that is the pencil. You can use other tools to draw other shapes like rectangle, triangle, circle, straight line, or this text tool. Before you start the class, if you want to record this session, you need to click on Start Recording button. Yes. So now this session is being recorded. So all the users, all the students who have joined this class and have this link with them, they can come back on the same link and they will get the presentation or the video listed in that page, and they can click on that video, and all of this session which has been recorded, they can replay it for their revision purposes. And this presentation on this whiteboard has many pages. So I click on slide 2, I get an empty page and I can write whatever I want. This is a text tool. I can use it to write anything I want. I can draw a rectangle, or for that matter, any other shape that I want. If you want to erase what you've written, you can do undo annotation and they'll be erased in a step-by-step manner. Or if you want to delete or erase the whole sheet, you can use this button. Now, for conducting this live classroom session, you can upload your presentation or any document that you have to teach the students by clicking on this plus button and say upload a presentation. I can use my local files that I have at the moment. I don't have a document file, so I'll just use an image to upload it. I use it to be uploaded. I say upload. What the system will do is it will convert this page and it will show it on the online classroom. So I can use the pencil to annotate or write any comment on this page. And once my task is done with this sheet, I can come back to my original class by saying upload presentation, using default and saying confirm. So I've come back to my same presentation and it is the same one in which I had all the annotations and everything done. So you don't lose any of your work. Second option that you have is that you can share an external video with the students. So I say external video and I paste a YouTube URL. And I say share a video. Now this video will be played for all the users that are connected with this classroom. But this video will not be recorded in the final session. In the final video file that will be created, this video will not be there. So this was how you can use an external video to teach your students of any concept that you find interesting and want to share with them. stop sharing external video and we come back to our classroom again. Now we have an option of sharing your webcam. That is, you can use your webcam so that your students can see you. So once you click on sharing your webcam, it will select your webcam and you can choose the quality that you want, low quality, medium, high, and click on start sharing. Once you click on start sharing, your webcam will come on the top and all your students can see you while you're teaching them. The other option that you have is that you can share your screen. So once you click on this option, you'll get an option of choosing a window which you want to share with your users. It can be your browser, your file browser, or your entire screen. So these are the options that you have for teaching your students. And when you have to exit the room once your class is complete, you need to pause the recording and from the right hand side you just need to click on end meeting, and that will end your meeting, and all the users who have come into this classroom will be taken out of the classroom and will be sent to the same link from which they have joined. So if we click on end meeting and click yes, your session has ended, and it brings me back to my same home page from where I started it. So this was a very short, brief synopsis of how to use this online classroom environment provided by iTeacher. If you have any suggestions, you're more than free to send it to me at any time. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for joining this session, and I hope we will productively use this online environment to teach our students. Thank you.